guys, sorry about the loud noise, but I don't know if this is good enough to put on YouTube, but if it is, we're gonna post it. Merrick's gonna eat a cactus.
Yeah, so I got a cactus leaf thingy, whatever you want to call it, but I'm gonna eat it.
He's gonna try to swallow it.
Try to take a bite, chew it up, and swallow it. We just found it, and I'm gonna...
Talk louder.
Okay, so here we go. Oh, it tastes like crap.
Keep chewing. Show them the bite.
I'm good. I'm full.
Open your mouth and show it.
Alright, keep it.
That's disgusting.
I gotta poke it.
Open your mouth. See that, guys?
That's disgusting. Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.